pray my days will leave me again. I so believe me. I pray my days will leave me again. I so believe me.
Boy, I'm so gonna go through it all. You was born. Ooh, girl, I'm so gonna go through it all. You was born.
Trying to find a way to fit the same way. So one day I can say I'll find a way to fly away. So on and on my mind, we are traveling miles away, searching for the home is strong for forever and a day. Trying to find a way to fit the same way. So one day I can say I'll find a way to fly away. So on and on my mind, we are traveling miles away, searching for the home is strong for forever and a day. So why the niggas say the course conventional and void of all invention, even though it causes suppression? I see acceptance as a reason for the joy that has no reason. Make me wanna fuck the set of water and down like a street. But niggas don't give a fuck. To some degree I get it, so unknown since the start. But have you ever thought since the sun you hit the stars? The global reach of the globe from its very growth. The life you see today is not the life from just today, but it's the life from yesterday, aka the stars, very stars. So to all my niggas, better start perceiving where you started, beginning of the lunar sands. As you grow, stop with the looking down, petty fucking nonsense. Rich beyond the borders, such dick like fucking Boris. For the very joy you treasure, bossing up like Boris, killing shit like it's a pleasure.